Okay, so you've got a few wallets on your SafePal. What I realized is that you can't, on the previous one, you could go delete the links, but here you can't. You must keep them all and you must know what belongs to what. You can see I've changed the names. I've sent a video on how to do that. So I'm going to go into my wallet. I'm going to press on search the app there at the top. And now I'm going to click because that is somebody else's link. I'm going to go there. I'm going to go back. I'm going to type my link number in. You've got to do this on every single one that you're going to do. If you've got more than one wallet, then I'm going to type in the OPBNB. I'm going to click yes, that's the one I want. And then it's going to go into my wallet. There you go. So I still got a way to go to Mentor, but that's my next step. So for those people that are struggling like this, you got more than one wallet, do this. I'm just going to do another one. I have time. So I'm going to close the whole of SafePal. I'll go back in and then do my second wallet. Let me go to this Clicks wallet. I'm going to explore, go to search tab. You see now there's two wallets there because those two are already linked. So I've got to click on mine, but change my number to Clicks number. Then I search for OPBNB coin. I click on there. And now I am in her wallet. She's very close to Mentor. Okay, so I'm going to go out again and go back in and do the next wallet. Okay, so let me do another wallet. I'm going to go there and let's do this one. I haven't done that one yet. So you go to explore. You go to search the app at the top. Now there's 3 wallets that are already done. Click on any one, it doesn't matter. Swipe to the left. Go and change the number to the correct number. So when you log in, you need to click on the right number for the right wallet that you are in. Okay, you go to the search bar, type OPBNB, click on OPBNB, and you are on your next wallet. If it doesn't work, you go on the 3 dots and you say refresh. If it says you need to install Web3 app and you refreshed a few times, it means that maybe I put in the wrong number. So let's go back and let's go see if I put in the right number. It is the right number. So let's retype it again. 1247189. I'm going to click on OPBNB. Ah, there it's back. It was correct. Okay, this one's an influencer. Still a way to go to achiever. So that's how you change all your wallets. I hope that is going to help.